Interesting Rays Tuesday. I continue to bang on this drum about how technology should soon completely overtake the construction industry. I'm talking about things like autonomous vehicles. I'm talking about the use of drones. I'm saying a construction site should very soon be one of the most tech-intensive workplaces in existence, because I'm also talking about things like exoskeletons, mech suits. German Bionic is a startup that has raised $20 million led by Samsung for exoskeleton technology that has the potential to, supercharge human labor, million-dollar man style, quoting TechCrunch. Exoskeleton technology has been one of the more interesting developments in the world of robotics. Instead of building machines that replace humans altogether, build hardware that humans can wear to supercharge their abilities. Today, German Bionic, one of the startups designing exoskeletons specifically aimed at industrial and physical applications, it describes its Cray X robot as the world's first connected exoskeleton for industrial use, that is, to help people lifting and working with heavy objects, providing more power, precision, and safety, is announcing a funding round that underscores the opportunity ahead. German Bionic describes its Cray X as a self-learning power suit aimed primarily at reinforcing lifting movements and to safeguard the wearer from making bad calls that could cause injuries. That could apply both to those in factories or those in warehouses or even sole trader mechanics working in your local garage. The company is not disclosing a list of customers except to note that it includes, in the words of a spokesperson, a big logistics player, industrial producers, and infrastructure hubs. One of these, the Stuttgart Airport, is highlighted on its site. Exoskeletons as a concept have been around for over a decade already. MIT developed its first exoskeleton aimed to help soldiers carrying heavy loads back in 2007, but advancements in cloud computing, smaller processors for the hardware itself, and artificial intelligence have really opened up the idea of where and how these might augment humans. In addition to industry, some of the other applications have included helping people with knee injuries, or looking to avoid knee injuries, ski better, and for medical purposes, although the recent pandemic has put a strain on some of these use cases, leading to indefinite pauses in production. German Bionic's raise comes at an interesting moment in terms of how automation and cloud technology are sweeping the world of work. When people talk about the next generation of industrial work, the focus is usually on more automation and the rise of robots to replace humans in different stages of production. But at the same time, some robotics technologists have worked on another idea, because we're probably still a long way away from being able to make robots that are just like humans, but better in terms of cognition and all movements. Instead, create hardware that doesn't replace, but augments live laborers to help make them stronger while still being able to retain the reliable and fine-tuned expertise of those humans, end quote.